Hey guys, how's it going? So this is our beautiful cat Hiccup coming in to get some lovin's. He's a slightly feral cat, but he still likes to come in and get some attention every once in a while. This is my beautiful wife Natalie's arm, scratching on him a little bit. He comes in and likes to hang out with us for maybe a minute or two, and after a while he starts getting agitated and nervous and wants to go back outside. But in general, he's a great cat and helps keep our rodent population down in our backyard and brings us presents every once in a while, puts them on our back porch for us. But it's fun. Okay, have fun. Bye.